Hey, how's it going? This video is going to be a bit different from what you've seen about VPNs. Give me 20 seconds to explain. I promise I won't waste your time. I've tested over 100 VPN services and put together a 200+ page research doc about pretty much everything related to every decent VPN out there. So here's what I'm going to do in this video. Instead of wasting your time explaining stuff you don't really care about, just to make this video 15 minutes long, I'm going to straight up tell you which ones are the best VPNs for Google Chrome right now, and a few things about each that actually matter. So you can just pick one and move on with your day. And for the nerds like me, I'll leave a link in the description so you can grab my full research doc completely free and read it whenever you want. No joke. All right, let's jump straight into it. Top 3 VPN services for Google Chrome and why. First up, NordVPN is hands down the best VPN for Google Chrome. Why? First, it works flawlessly with Google Chrome. That's huge. Speed, it's literally one of the fastest I tested. Minimal latency, zero connectivity issues, no packet loss, plus solid download and upload speeds. Features, tons. Kill switch, meshnet, antivirus, leak protection, you name it, it's there. Pricing and support, great price for what it offers, and support is top notch. Logs, nope, they don't keep logs, that's a fact. Encryption, they use the best encryption tech available. Overall, super easy to use, fast, no headaches, and pretty affordable for what you get. Negatives, the only downside is a 10-device limit. Second best VPN for Google Chrome is IPVanish. Why? It's simple, no BS, built for pure performance. Speed, crazy fast, consistently low latency, no lag spikes, no packet loss, just smooth browsing and streaming. Features, all the essentials Chrome users want, plus a few extras like a reliable kill switch and split tunneling, which is awesome for routing only Chrome traffic through the VPN or the opposite. Pricing and support, one of the best value for money VPNs out there. Usually cheaper than most, but delivers top tier performance. Support is quick and helpful. Logs? Nope, no logs. Independently audited too. Encryption? Yep, AES-256, the best stuff. Negatives? It's based in the US, which is a Five Eyes country, so privacy geeks might get nervous. But that no log audit checks out. Plus, its server network is smaller than the other two. Overall, a clean, fast, secure, set it and forget it VPN. Perfect if you want pure browser speed and great value. Third on the list is Private Internet Access, or PIA. Why? Massive server network, and it's the most customizable option here. Speed? Very good. With such a huge server network, you can almost always find a fast, uncrowded server nearby. Features? Packed with stuff. Kill switch, solid ad blocker, and it's the most flexible VPN here. Pricing and support? Usually the cheapest premium option on this list. Support's pretty good and professional. Logs? No logs, period. Their no logs policy has even been proven in court. Encryption? Best encryption tech available, and it's customizable. Negatives? Like IPVanish, it's US based. Also, the app isn't quite as clean or polished as the other two. Overall, reliable, transparent, and powerful. Best pick if you're on a budget but want a big network and advanced features. And that's it, my top 3 picks for Google Chrome. NordVPN, IPVanish, and Private Internet Access. Honestly, you can't go wrong with any of them. For 99% of you watching, even if you pick one just because of its logo or colors, you'll be more than fine. They just work perfectly with Google Chrome. Quick recap before we wrap. Go with NordVPN if you want the best overall VPN for Chrome. Premium experience, tons of features, fast speeds. Go with IPVanish if you want a simple, high-speed, set-it-and-forget-it VPN for Chrome, and incredible value for your money. Go with PIA if you're on a budget, but still want a VPN with a massive server network and loads of advanced features. That's my job done. I gave you the answers so you don't have to waste your time. I've also dropped exclusive discount links for all 3 in the description below so you can get the best price possible. Thanks for your time. Now go pick one and let me know in the comments which you chose. Have a beautiful day or night. Bye.